Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to 71 Balgownie Drive in Peregian Springs. What you're going to love about this home is it's been immaculately kept by the owners. It has manicured gardens throughout the property and you back onto a bushland reserve with no neighbour to the rear. Simply move in and enjoy. Let's take a look inside. Thanks so much for watching. If you can see yourself living here, enjoying the peace and quiet, make sure to pop into our next open home. For those interstate or overseas, we're more than happy to walk you through the home virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.